Guys, so it was Dinia class, and it was like 10 minutes left, but suddenly it starts raining so hard, and yeah, so we have to cancel the class. I mean, the class finished early. Yeah, 10 minutes before 3 p.m. That's right. And look, that was so um wet. Yeah, I was sitting there like that place, but I moved here because it was so yeah. That's so wait. Look, it's like soak. Look. Yeah. So actually, I'm wearing headphones right now. So yeah, yeah, that's why my voice is still here. Okay, look. I wanna play swing. I think the swing is not wet. I'm gonna try. Wow. Yeah, not good. Yeah, it's not wet in here. Wow. Rainy day. I don't know how to get to the upper floor, to the third floor, because it's raining outside. Yeah, maybe we'll manage. Now I'll just play swing while I may be waiting for the rain to stop. Yeah, I hope it stopped. Huh? No. No. Yeah. Then I do my vlog. Then, no, that's a sad prayer. That's a sad prayer. The wind is so hard, maybe. It was so cold. I wish I wear my jacket. Ah. Okay guys, I think that's all the end of our video.